Hello, hello. We are here for another Thrifty Thursday haul. This time it is Happy Mail from a friend of mine who knew that I was working on some journals and also that I love That Girl with Marlo Thomas. So I was super excited to find the patterns that were in the box. So I thought I would share a little Happy Mail. I'm also working on a few other Christmas journals right now. So I got some lace that is going to work with those. And I found another, I don't know that these were crocheted. I think this was done on some kind of loom back in the day. So anyway, super cute. So now I have two of these because I am working on those two cookbook journals. So I'm going to be adding this somewhere. So anyway, got that. In the box also came one of these work baskets from 1951. It's kind of roached, but they're still fun to take some of the little ads and stuff out. And then this pattern, it's like a quilt pattern. Hold on, it's very large. But this will be fun to fussy cut out all the different squares and quilt patterns and things like that. And this border is amazing. So that was in the box. Also, what was in my Happy Mail from my friend was this 1981 Farmer's Almanac. That's got some fun stuff in it. And there was this General Electric automatic roaster booklet. So okay, then I've got some flat lace in this cream. There is red and green because I will be working on a Christmas journal, so thank you so much for those. I also got some ruffly laces, a couple of colors. And then there were 4 laces on here, or I think that's the same. No, it's a different trim. So there are 4 laces on this thing. And then we have the patterns. So here I'm going to start with the Marlo Thomas ones. Now, these were in really bad shape, and I was forewarned that they were in bad shape, but I'm fine with that because I'm just going to fussy cut them out. That's what I do with the ones that are in like super bad shape. And then I use the pattern paper to do decoupaging or put in my mail that I send out. I'll use that as packaging also. So there was that one. There's this one. Anybody else used to watch That Girl? You know, you can get That Girl. You can download it on, I think it might be on Hulu, or no, I think it's on Tubi. So you can go back and watch all. If you've never seen That Girl with Marlo Thomas from the 1960s, it's one of my favorite shows growing up. Just loved it. You need to look it up. So I got that. Okay, these are some, I don't say they're newer, but they're like more like 1980s. So there's some 80s patterns in here. Again, these are all in really bad shape, but I can still use, like, fussy cut them out and use the pattern paper. So I got those. And then there was a whole stack of kids patterns that I can cut these kids out and use them on tags or on pages. Look at her doing her little sketching, taking notes. Anyway, I love her with her sassy sunglasses. And then there's these. And Cinderella. This was just the cover, but it had little clown kids dress up as clowns. So I thought that was cute. I'll iron this and clean it up. And then just, you know, I might just like punch her in a circle or whatever. I'll figure it out. I didn't want to throw it out because it's so usable. These girls. This is from Annie. So I guess this was some costumes inspired from the movie Annie too. Look at her hair, it's just like a little orphan Annie on there. Then there is this one. She reminded me of Brooke Shields a little bit, but I don't think she is. It's not, I don't know. She did a lot of modeling back when she was younger. Okay, then there's these little girls. Super cute. She's got her little strawberry milkshake. These kiddos. And then these. She has a little apple. And then this set. Again, these are not good enough to put as journal covers, but they are. Okay, she's got popcorn. And then this girl wants some. And then this girl's eating, I don't know, peanuts. But they are good enough to cut the image out and then use them on tags and pockets and things. So that's that stack. More. I love this pantsuit. It is not, unfortunately, in my size. So, or I would be so making this. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love that pantsuit. And yeah, I love her. She's going to go in my own journal. And then I love this pantsuit too. I love this one. It's lace. This actually is in right now. And I mean, jumpsuits. And then I thought this, she'd be really cute in my boho journal. I'm working on this girl right here. This was more summer. So I'll definitely be cutting her out and putting her on something. Then there were some insides of some pattern, not one of these. We have some sassy skirty girls. And then this one. Anybody remember wearing satin baseball jackets? You know they're making a comeback. I've actually purchased one over when I was in Australia. So they'll hit probably America next year. But yeah, those satin baseball jackets are making a comeback, people. Okay, then there's this one. There's summery. There's this one. I thought these were really interesting. These are very, I don't know what year this was. 79 maybe? This is 76, 1976 with the hair. Then this one, little tops again, just cutting, I'll cut these girls out. And then this one, and then this one, just the tops. But these are cute little rectangle shape for tags. So those are my patterns. And then there were some of these file folder stickers. So you know how I love using these. I use them on my jelly plate, or I will stamp on them, or I will run them through my inkjet printer. And like I'll tape them on a piece of paper and run the whole thing through and print out vintage wallpaper on them. So I always try to find these Avery stickers whenever I can find them. So anyway, that is my haul. It was super short, but thank you for the happy mail, my friend. And yeah, I'm excited to get working on my Christmas journals, and I will be doing a series in them. We will go from start to finish, picking out the covers, picking out the pages, and I will be working on that. So you guys have a lovely weekend, and you know what? Get out there and do some thrifting this weekend. I'm actually going out this weekend. There are 3 estate sales from, it looks like from old 1950s, 60s stuff. So I'm pretty excited about the 3 estate sales that I'll be going to this weekend. And I will probably be back with a massive haul that I'll have to break up after I go to those estate sales. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Have a great weekend. Keep crafting.